Hello everyone. This video we will learn about checkbox. Okay, let's add the page. Class UI checkbox page and move here. Go to app. Some more. Change checkbox page. Okay, we will learn faster. When we finish all basic UI, we will try to create sample application. Okay, let's continue. Save it. Look at the checkbox and try stack now. And I need some orientation. Or should be horizontal line, center, vertical line, center. And now let's add checkbox. Check box. Close. Checkbox is similar to button box. I think you know already what is checkbox. Now I just tell you some property and how to use it. Checkbox, there are some property that can be background, yellow, can be foreground, red, can be what the brush, green, easy to look, and can be padding 10 or the most important is content. Content, checkbox content or female. That's female. Just save it. Let run F. What happened? Come on. Yeah, it is a checkbox, but when we click or focus on it, nothing happens. Style, go away. Stay here, check, uncheck, stay away, style will appear. If you focus or put your cursor on it, it will hide or style or check, it's default. Okay, this is the checkbox. Try to format it, and now we can try default like no, like is check. It's true or fair. Example, fair. Default is fair. So when you look at app, fair, if you change value to true, save it, look at the app, check. True is mean already check. When you open the app, checkbox will automatically check. Okay. Now there are three steps of the checkbox. Okay, let's here. It's 3 step fair and look at the app. Check. Now I just remove it and save. Look at app. Nothing. And stop here and try to true and just run app again. You will see what is different. Come on. No. App check. No check. Here. Oh yes. This one here. Check and check, check and does. Okay. Okay, they can use as you want. And the important of the flipbook that we only use 2, 3. I don't know how to use it, but I think you can find yourself. I just use check and then check. Now you can default if check if fail or true. Okay, and the last important of the checkbox is the event. Check, check, get event, and uncheck, get event. When you work with the checkbox, we must to implement about the checkbox. 1 is check, 2 is uncheck. If we check, you can get a value or do something else. If uncheck, you can cancel something or remove something as you want. Now go to let's create text block, text, nothing, and apply its name. Status. Go to definition and try status dot text check and status dot text and check. Okay, run application. Just simple. Okay. Oh, what's wrong? Object then not object. Try again. Okay, the checkbox. What's wrong? Status. Take. Block. Let's try this. Different name. Here. Here. Okay. Just run again. Oh. What happened? What's wrong with it? Object reference not set instead of object. Status type block is null. Why? Why is null? I don't understand. Checkbox. Go to some find what is null. Now to remove text. Text block. Text name. Status type block. Just save it and run again. Oh, what? Status type block was null. Why? Continue. Continue. Initialize content. Toggle if check line. Fail to assign property. If check. Toggle button. What? If page is check box. I can use. Take. Oh. Frame. Checkbox page. Okay. Let's stop. Look at the checkbox page. Again. Status type block. Now we find error together. What happened? Type block H name. Status type block. What is it? Why is happened? Type block is a type block, alright? Check box and check is true. Oh, oh, yes. Try to reboot this one. So it's transfer. Okay, try this one and just write enter. Ah, that's work. Check, check. Because we try to check when the first application run check, and then event check will call. When event check call, there is no table lock created yet. So it's not created yet, but the event of check already checked. Okay, now I find the problem. It's easy. Just find one by one, step by step. Okay, this is the finish of this video. It's short and useful. You can find error, is something wrong, or just know that some property of the checkbox, and the most important is check event and uncheck event. Thank you for watching.